Okay, so I want to work with you today a little bit on working to white balance your camera out. Now, sometimes when we come on to shoot video, we get video that looks a little bit like this. And if we see our picture is really yellow and the balance doesn't look good, in some of the other videos you've seen, that is the case. Now, to change our white balance, we can do a couple different things. Number one is we can hit this button right here. It's this little Q thing that we have, and we can cycle through our settings. We see right up here our white balance exists, and I could come in there on my white balance, and I can cycle through down at the bottom here some of my settings. So I could come down, and in a lot of the time you're going to want to pick auto white balance, and it's going to set things just fine for you, and I go ahead and set that. Well, let's say though you want to make sure that you have the truest form, because most of the time auto white balance is going to work just fine, but I want to make sure you understand how to set a custom white balance. And the first thing to do when to set a custom white balance is, let's go ahead and turn this to picture mode. And I'm just going to turn this over to program. And I'm going to take a white sheet of paper. You can take a white or like a neutral gray. And what I'm going to do here is I'm just going to take a picture of this white paper. Okay. And I'm going to get that set. And so I have there an image just of that. Now if I go here to menu, I come over to my second setting here in menu, and we see there's a custom white balance. So I'm going to go ahead and set that, and it says it pulls up only compatible image to be displayed, and then it shows my picture of the white paper with my little finger that got caught in there. I shouldn't have had my finger in there, but let's see if we can set that and see if it works. Use white data from this image for custom white balance. Okay, we can do that. Let's do that. And now it says set white balance to the logo, and I hit OK. Well, if I come on here now, and I come here to my video setting, and I cycle over to this white balance, I go ahead and set that, and now my white balance looks pretty good. So to set custom white balance, you go ahead and in the menu, go to the custom white balance setting, and you select an image that you took, preferably just something of a white sheet of paper or some sort of neutral gray. You then go into your white balance settings. Back here there's a WB button. We usually see it on some of our cameras as an AWB, which stands for automatic white balance. And then we go ahead and we set our setting to the custom white balance setting you see on the camera. And that's really all there is to it. It'll help make it so your video is not blue or yellow or some other color that you don't want it to be. And that's all there is. Let me know what questions you have. Thanks.